Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to manually create the meta description generator template in FlowHunt. If you're interested in seeing a demonstration of what this chatbot can do, check out the video linked in the description below. Let's get started. First, go to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. Here, you can name your project whatever you like and continue forward. Next, we'll add the fundamental components of our flow. These include the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which will be the chatbot's response to this query. Now, for our first component, we'll add the URL retriever. This reads all the data inside a URL, which, in this case, will be our input. Once the data collection is complete, connect the URL retriever to the context handler of our prompt component. This will ensure the prompt is aware of the retrieved data. Now, let's give our prompt component a specific prompt. Don't worry, the exact wording is included in the description below. Next, we'll add a text generator. Connect it to a powerful LLM, which will generate the meta description based on the prompt and the data we retrieved. And that's it. Your meta description generator flow is ready to go. If you want to see what this flow does in action, click on the top right corner or check out the description below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.